Okay guys, just a quick little video. This isn't my main video from today, but I gotta say something. So I was actually just putting the final touches on my my video for today, and I get a comment on one of my videos, and it's from a Suckton HVAC. Gee, I wonder who that was. Are his initials TC? Could it be Ted Cook using another fake name? He made a comment like, this guy's the biggest hack on the planet. He's a huge hack. It was on the one where I put those vibration absorbers. Hey, I didn't want to put those on. I'm not a proponent of those, but you do what you got to do to try to make a customer happy. It did make the system quieter, and I didn't think it was that noisy to begin with. But anyway, the point of this little quick video, which I'm going to be about 2 minutes probably, is that Mr. Anti-DIY HVAC, also known as Ted Cook, I'm going to use his name, cannot keep from making comments on my page. I mean, I don't even acknowledge his existence, only as a a defense of myself. So get on and make another fake name. This one he's calling it, it's Seton HVAC. So he goes on there and calls himself Suckton HVAC and makes a nasty message about me being a hack and trying to defame or whatever. I'm not saying anything about his work or anything. You know what? I'm sure his work's fine, whatever, I'm done with all that. But if he wants to get on my page and start doing that, I just hid the user. I mean, it's that easy to do. And he'll keep making fake names because that guy has no life and has nothing else to do. So just want to make this quick little video. Hope you guys enjoy my other video today. Yes, I'm a hack. I helped the customer install a Mr. Cool that he bought. I'm a big hack for that. I'm trying to help the guy out. The guy's a pastor at a church, okay? So anyway, enjoy this. Enjoy my other video from today. Thanks, guys.